everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Meg's How-To Videos, where today we're going to discuss how to factory/hard reset an LG phone. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using an LG 4 phone, but this method should also work with the other LG phone models. Now, why would you want to do a hard reset? Well, a good example would be you forgot your lock screen pattern and you can't unlock your phone. So by factory resetting it, you'll be able to remove that password and use your phone. To begin a factory/hard reset, make sure your phone has been powered off. Once your phone has been turned off, locate the power and volume down button on the back of the phone. Hold both buttons down simultaneously until you see the LG logo appear on the screen. Once that logo appears, continue holding the volume down button, but lift your finger off the power button for half a second, then hold it down again. A new option menu screen should eventually appear on your phone. One of the options in the list will be factory reset. Use the volume down button to get to that option and the power button to select it. A new window will appear asking if you're sure about this option. Select yes. A new loading screen will appear. This means that your phone is resetting itself. Depending on how many files you have stored on the phone will depend on how long this process will take. Once this process is complete, your phone will now be back to its default settings. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to factory/hard reset an LG phone. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below. That and subscribe to my channel to see more how-to videos. If this video helped you out, or you have an idea for another how-to video, please leave it in the comments below. But until next time, God bless and good luck!